What have I done? I've created a monster. So if you ain't watched the videos yet, rcaddict here. From flashing to flying. This is the Maiden flight, okay? So 4.4.2, master multiplier 1.6. I brought it down 2 notches. BLHeli 32 BYRPM and automatic timing. As you can see, I went for GPS on this, and the GPS is a TBS M8, not an M10, M8Q, yeah? And it is friggin' awesome. Just look at the amount of satellites, and I haven't flown it for ages.
Hey there, DJI.
Only rcaddict jams a UNIFYPRO32 high voltage in a little 3.5-inch drone. You see that bad boy? Yeah? One of the best features about the UNIFYPRO32 is its microphone. Okay, so we should be able to hear that nice whistle from the motors, that frequency change. And I had this idea that if that UNIFYPRO32 was up against the carbon of the frame and the battery strap went round it, then the heat would dissipate into the carbon of the frame, so helping to overheating problems.
Bollocks! Quick, get back home! Only in Britain. Right, let's hit that shit.
I'm just dancing. I'm just dancing.
Everything controls your dance on cocaine, ecstasy, 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 dance on cocaine.
RC Addict.